Rexolite 1422 is a cross-linked polystyrene high-performance thermoset used in structural applications in critical electronic systems. Key properties include a thermal operating range of -76 to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, a dielectric strength of 500 volts per mil, high-frequency transmission with minimal signal loss, optically clear when polished, dimensionally stable, low moisture absorption, and low outgassing. Common applications include antenna and microwave components, radomes, sonar lenses, and diagnostic imaging components. Parts made from Rexolite 1422 benefit from its unique combination of lightweight strength, dimensional stability, and superior dielectric properties, ensuring reliable high-frequency performance in demanding environments up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. It is an ideal fit for structural applications in high-frequency electronic systems in aerospace, electrical, medical, military and defense, semiconductor, and other industries.